This race number 28, P1 over the national championship makes 22 minutes for race, which will promise a pretty good time. They got traveling down a rather beautiful site. This is right here at the Reservoir under the silhouette of the sunset. This lane number 1 is Singapore Management University. In lane number 1, lane number 2 is PLK Paddlers. Lane number 3 is the team of Nanyang Technological University. Lane number 4 is Singapore Institute of Management Team A. Lane number 5 are American Dragon. And lane number 6, the team from German Dragons. And lane number 7 is our national team, the women's national team, who is currently doing a time trial in preparation of the SEA Games. So do cheer them on as well. Meantime, the back to these races as proceed. Lane number 3 right now, currently taking the lead as the team from Nanyang Technological University. We very closely consistent with PLK Paddlers, and that is lane number 1, American Dragons, who are right there as well. This is going to be a tough hard as we see them very quickly. Nothing far to make the third and look at the race. Lane number 4 and lane number 3 is Bedok. Smelly at the ferocious pace. Sancho is lane number 2. We have their Paddlers.